Now I'm going to show you something fun. Remember how we used to make the airplane in the classroom? Now, it's not very hard, so we can do this at home also. Okay? Now we can use any sort of paper. It don't have to be exactly like this, but something that will fly. Now, take the paper, squeeze the paper, you fold it in half, then you open it again, and then you bring this piece here, then you bring the other piece here, okay? Now this part is a little tricky, but it's not hard to do. You fold it back like this, okay? And you fold it back like this. It's just to get the peak. You only want the peak of it. Now, you go like this, put them together again, and this will form the peak for flying, as you notice. And this will form the wing as you put the flap down. Again, turn it around, put the flap down. Now I have some tape here. The reason for this tape is, if you like, before this open up, which it usually does sometime, you can use a little piece of tape to hold it together. Now, we made homemade paper airplane. Let's see if it flies. Woo! Okay, bye.